Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to install apps on iPhone 16, 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to install apps on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection or cellular connection. As you can see, I have connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. So now just scroll down and here you just have to look for App Store in your phone. Here's App Store, just tap on it. And here you just have to tap on search, and in search you have to search for the app which you want to install on your phone. As I'm going to search for this one, so just search for it and then open the app, and here you just have to tap on get to install the app on your phone. And after tapping on this, you just have to tap on install, and then the app will be installed on your phone. So that's how you can easily install apps on iPhone 16, 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.